And when you're checking your seam, of course with the ease, you don't want to have sewn across any puckers.
Why did you ease it?
Why did I ease stitch? Because I had ease built into the pattern here. So that helped me sort of be able to pull it up there. Like setting in a sleeve. Remember setting in a sleeve? Same thing, just
So it naturally
not as much.
gathers. Or at least when I was doing it, it kind of like naturally kind of gathered a little bit.
Well, okay. Ooh, velvet.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
So we'll what does it say? Serge, press towards the center, 1/4 inch top stitch. Lots of that going on. Join the waist pieces. Okay, so where's one of our samples? Here's one of our samples. Actually, let's look at this one because it's got the contrast. So you can go on and join your back waists, and there's sort of 2 sets of everything. The outside set is the one that needs to be top stitched. The inside set will not need to be top stitched. I mean, it could be, but it's just kind of a waste of thread. Nobody's going to see it. So if you're like me and you on this one you've got sort of different fabrics, you know, just think about it like that. But I did. So here's, let's see. Here's my inside ones. They're not top stitched. And my outside ones should be hiding out here somewhere. Here they are. Top stitched. Not serged, because you're not going to see that, are you? So no need to waste the serger thread on any of these lower short seams. And then also we're doing the right side to the center front right. Okay, so once again, let's put all that. I'm just going to throw down there. There's my backs. They're good. Backs are good. Don't need my collar. Backs. There's my other side front. And let's get these other pieces out here. Left center front LWS. I'm not looking for that at the moment. Here's an RWS. There's another L. This must be another R. Here's a SF Wust side front waist. They are not right and left, so we've got lots of them. Okay, you want it to look like the picture here. So we're doing these 2 pieces. Right side front, right center front. But which one? You know, again, we're doing the outside ones, but if you're like my khaki one and everything's the same color, you kind of have to figure out which one's the outside and which one's the inside. So here's the notching. These center pieces have a notch over here where they join to the side pieces. There's the side piece with its notch, okay? So these are the 2 that go together, and voila, they're my rights. ½ inch seam, even though they're facings, or you know, kind of facings, just like your shoulder seams for your neck facing. You know, it's the body part of them is still 1/2 inch. It's just the edges where it sort of is the faced edge that we do at 1/4 inch. But here, this is all 1/2 inch. And this guy will get pressed towards the center and top stitched. Pressing towards center, 1/4 inch top stitch. Lots of top stitching. Top stitching's good. Okay, join outer. Oops, something went over there. Join outer waist layer to top pieces that are joined. Okay, press seam down. So your picture has some arrows. So if I grab the piece that I just eased, where did we put that? It didn't get serged and top stitched, did it? Well, so it's gonna have to get that done to it, but we can do the back one at least. That's what we'll do. So we're gonna join those two guys. And it'll be, you know, like this for your back, huh? So we're finally creating like a whole back. Now, you got some opposing curves here to deal with. But we can do it. So, match your centers. You got the notch there. Match your seams. You can pick up a pin. And of course, everything should be matching at where we're sewing at the 1/2. Got some double notches there, they match, and there. So let me do this. Now, what is happening on Thursday? Who knows?
You're not.
I'm not here. I mean, I think you could definitely still be here. But I'm not here. You're allowed to be here. Don't think for a minute that, you know, just because I'm not here,
Class is canceled.
there will not be roll taken or any of that business.
So AKA there will be roll taking.
Oh, I thought it was August.
No, yeah, like there's no, yeah. I'm not here, but you know, I think folks have some work to do, you know, so some folks do at least. And there we go. And this seam gets pressed, what, down. We're gonna wait to give it its top stitch, okay? So don't top stitch it yet, just press it down.
Oh, it's nice.
Well, thank you. We'll do the same to the front that I just joined, and then join back facing waists. There were those. These guys that didn't get the top stitching. To vest back at hem edge, 1/4 inch seam allowance, right sides together. So that's just a quick zip down a straight edge, 1/4 inch. Remember, side seams are happening last. So this is, there's some little bit of what might feel strange order of operations here. Alright, so there we are. We're going to understitch because facings love understitching.
What kind of machine do you have at home that you use?
It is an industrial. It's a Pfaff brand, so it's old. I don't know how old it is. But, it essentially is like this guy. I mean, I use the same feet. I don't use the same needles, unfortunately. And it has the sound, the loud motor. It goes boom when I turn it on, yeah. So, I know, these are so quiet, it's unbelievable. So yeah, like, these machines, brand new, are only about, I don't know, $800 or so. So, compared to like a brand new Bernina, of course the Berninas do more, they buttonhole and all that stuff. But, yeah, they're cheaper, but then they're very heavy. I have been told that the next time mine gets moved, it will be by professionals. Step 7 is done. Set that aside. Step 8, join Moto CFLWS. Well, we had one of those just a minute ago. So see, this is why you might not want to get rid of your paper pieces on your things yet. 2, not its SF West. Yes, this is getting even stranger. 2, the top CFL. So, what we end up with is L. Because the zipper gets put in here, these guys have to go together before the zipper, and these guys have to go together before the zipper. So it's, opposite, essentially, of what we're doing over here. All right. Let's find all these left pieces. Here's CFLWS, and where is CFL big? Probably it's this. It is. Okay. Again, which one? You have to think a little bit, because really all you've got here is a center front notch, and then this is your edge, your facing edge. So if we're here and we're 1/4 inch over here at the facing edge, this is not the one that goes. It's this one. And see, here's my side. That's your other indicator that this goes to our side, even though it's really going to zipper. So we will match these guys up. Half of an inch. do this guy to an SF list. Where's an SF list? Here we go. Here's a couple. It's going to be like that. Yes. Then what do we do? All right. Serge the following pieces. Let's make sure we've done everything. Both vertical edges of left side front. Pink. The pink line that's drawn on her here is supposed to represent serging because that picture got taken before that other edge got serged. Princess edge of left center front and the other side edges of side backs and side front. But don't sew sides together yet, right? Yeah. See, I even reminded you there. Okay, so what all are we serging? We're gonna go on and do these sides because they will eventually get pressed open. And the parts right here, that's where our zipper is gonna get sewn into. So I'm gonna get those serged before I put my zipper in. So I think we're at a good spot to break and sew for a while. But then maybe by the end of class, I get my zipper on. And then where will we be? Ready to put the collar on next week.
What?
The collar.